Dear student, this is an equations of general equations of second degree. We will analyze that what it is. Either it is ellipse, either it is parabola, either it is hyperbola, either it is circle. So we will analyze it. We know that we want to rotate the axis. We know that here A is equal to 5 according to the general equation of second degree, and B is also equal to 5. Means coefficient of x square is A and coefficient of y square is B. And formula is tan 2 theta over 2h over A minus B, which means that 2h over 5 minus 5, which is equal to infinity. So 2 theta is equal to tan inverse infinity, which is equal to 90 degree. 2 theta and theta is equal to 45 degree. It means that we will rotate the axis on an angle 45. So equation of rotation. Now we write the equation of rotation. X is equal to x dash cos theta plus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to minus x dash cos theta plus y dash sin theta. Putting the value of theta, x dash minus y dash, and here is plus. Yes, x is equal to x dash minus y dash. Yes, putting the values of theta, x is equal to x dash cos 45 minus y dash sin 45. Also y is equal to x dash cos 45 plus y dash sin 45. It will convert into x is equal to x dash 1 over 2 square root minus y dash 1 over 2 square root, and y is equal to x dash 1 over 2 square root minus y dash 1 over 2 square root. So 1 over 2 is common, 1 over 2 square root, x dash minus y dash over, and it will be x dash, sorry, this is minus and this is plus. So x dash plus y dash over 2 square root. So these are the equation of rotations. Putting these equation of rotation in equation 1. Putting over here 5 into 5 into x is equal to x dash minus y dash, x dash minus y dash over 2 square root square, minus 2 into x dash minus y dash over 2 square root, and x dash plus y dash over 2 square root, value of y. Similarly, plus 5 y dash means x dash plus y dash over 2 square root square minus 12 is equal to 0. Now simplifying this, after simplifying, what we get? We'll get 2x dash square plus 3y dash square is equal to 6. We will divide each term by 6. After simplifying this equation, we get this like, so x dash square over 3 plus y dash square over 2 is equal to 1, which is an equation of ellipse. So what we have analyzed that, we have analyzed that this equations of second equations of general equations of second degree. This is called general equations of second degree. It represents an ellipse. If it represents an ellipse, then we will find the center, focus. What will be its center? First, center. For center, x dash is equal to 0 and y dash is equal to 0. So we know that x dash is equal to, we know that in case of rotation, x dash is equal to x plus y over 2 square root is equal to 0, and y dash is equal to minus x plus y over 2 square root is equal to 0. So these two equations are x plus y is equal to 0 and minus x plus y is equal to 0. So what will be center? Here 2y is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to 0 after adding it. So it means that x is equal to 0. So center is 0, 0. Now we find the foci. For the foci, we know that x dash for one foci f1, we know that minus c0 and f2 c0. So if I find c over here, so what will be c? C square is equal to a square minus b square. So 9 minus 4, 3 minus 5. This is a square, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So this is equal to 2. This will be equal to 1. So c is equal to 1. Here we see that x1 here is that x dash is equal to c and y dash is equal to 0. What is x dash? We have already found that x dash is equal to x plus y over 2 square root and c is 1 minus c is minus 1. So x plus y is equal to minus 2 square root. Now y dash is equal to minus x plus y over 2 square root, which is equal to 0. This means that minus x plus y is equal to 0. So write these two equations. X plus y is equal to minus 2 square root and minus x plus y is equal to 0. After adding, 2y is equal to minus 2 square root. So y is equal to minus 2 square root over 2. So y is equal to minus 1 over 2 square root. So what will be x? Putting up in this, x minus 1 over 2 square root is equal to minus 2 square root. So also we can put y in this equations. Minus x plus y means minus 1 over 2 square root is equal to 0, and minus x is equal to 1 over 2 square root, so x is equal to minus 1 over 2 square root. So our f1 is, what is the value of x? Minus 1 over 2 square root. And what is the value of y? Is also minus 1 over 2 square root. Okay. What will be f2? We know x is equal to c and y is equal to 0. X dash, okay, I am erasing this one. We have find we want to find f2. X dash is equal to c and y dash is equal to 0. We know x dash is equal to x plus y over 2 square root and c mean 1, and y dash is equal to minus x plus y over 2 square root is equal to 0. So this is x plus y is equal to 2 square root, and this is minus x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 2 square root and minus x plus y is equal to 0. After adding, 2y is equal to 2 square root and y is equal to 2 square root over 2, y is equal to 1 over 2 square root. Putting over here, minus x plus 1 over 2 square root is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 over 2 square root. So our f2 is 1 over 2 square root and 1 over 2 square root. Now we find the vertex. For the vertex, for the vertex we know that our A is A0 and A dash is minus A and 0. First we find this vertex. It means that x dash is equal to A and y dash is equal to 0. X dash is equal to A means that x plus y over 2 square root, and A, what is the value of A? A square is equal to 3 and A square is equal to 3 and A is equal to 3 square root. So 3 square root. So x plus y is equal to 6 square root. Y dash minus x plus y over 2 square root is equal to 0. Minus x plus y is equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to 6 square root minus x plus y is equal to 0. Adding, so what we get over here? 2y is equal to 6 square root and y is equal to 6 square root over 2, which can be written as 3 square root multiplied by 2 square root over 2, means it can be written as 3 over 2 square root. Also, putting this in value of y over here, minus x plus 3 over 2 square root, which is equal to 0. This means x is equal to 3 over 2 square root. So what is f1? Our f1 is 3 over 2 square root and 3 over 2 square root. Okay, now we find a dash. This is not f1, this is a1, a. Now we find a dash. In order to find a dash, x dash is equal to minus a, x dash is equal to minus a, and y dash is equal to 0. X dash mean x plus y over 2 square is equal to minus 3 square root, and y dash mean x minus x plus y over 2 square root, which is equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to minus 6 square root, and here minus x plus y is equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to minus 6 square root minus x plus y is equal to 0. Adding 2y is equal to minus 6 square root and y is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 2 over 2, which is equal to minus 3 over 2 square root. Putting this value over here, minus x minus 3 square root over 2 is equal to 0, minus x is equal to 3 over 2 square root, and x is equal to minus 3 over 2 square root. So what is the other vertex? A dash. What is the value of x? Minus 3 over 2 square root, and this is also minus 3 over square root. Okay, a dash on major axis, now on minor axis. We know on minor axis b into b into 0 and b, and b dash is 0 and minus b. So x dash is equal to 0 and y dash is equal to b. X dash means x plus y over 2 square root is equal to 0, and y dash means that minus x plus y over 2 square root. B, what is the value of b? B is equal to 2 square root over here, 2 square root. So because b square is equal to 2, so here x plus y is equal to 0 and minus x plus y is equal to 2. So x plus y is equal to 0 minus x plus y is equal to 2. After adding, 2y is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, and x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 and 1 is our b. Now we find b dash. Here b dash, x dash is equal to 0 and y dash is equal to minus b. x dash is equal to 0 mean x plus y 2 square root is equal to 0 minus x plus y over 2 square root is equal to minus b means minus 2 square root. So x plus y is equal to 0 and here minus x plus y is equal to minus 2. X plus y is equal to 0 minus x plus y is equal to minus 2. So 2y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1. So what is b dash? B dash is x is equal to 1, y is minus 1. Equation of major and minor axis. Equation of major axis. According to the equation of major axis, we know